Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, um, I'm resuming working on the what do you call it? RPG Maker Optimizer project. There we go. I guess it's the GMS RPG optimizing system. So I guess I should probably go through a rundown of what I'm trying to make. Just in case there's some new people here. There probably isn't, but okay. I'll just go through the rundown. So basic rundown. The RPG. Actually, you know what? There we go. Okay. So my RPG optimizing system, basically, that is I'm trying to take Game Maker and essentially make a code pack, or code bundle, whatever you want to call it. That'll help make Game Maker more user friendly for RPG style, like Japanese RPG style games. Yeah, that's basically it. It's nothing too special. Yeah, I guess. Okay. This keeps. Okay. Perfect. Okay. What else? I'll have to apologize. My computer's laggy. Acting up. Okay. So I guess I'll go through a rundown of what I was working on before because I kind of need a reminder. Okay, so the last thing I was working on, it was okay. So it was the GMS System Manager. So basically, just kind of establishing a bunch of variables for holding information like GUI top, GUI mid, for positioning text boxes and that. So I guess the last thing I was working on was the message showing part of the system. Basically, where it brings up a message window, and then you can click OK or not OK or whatever, and that continues on to the next text. That's basically what I was working on last. It's not much. And I guess I'll get back to it, and then I'll throw some tunes on here, and so if you want to watch, you got at least something to listen to. I'll do that right now. Before I do, gotta do this.
lights, the crown of gold, adorned with fire. And when I look up into the night, I hear its voice from starlit skies. Down here on earth, the world is not bright, but still it shines beyond the veil. When I look up into the night, the stars they glow to lead me there. Carry me on, it won't be long till night arrives, and all the sky is filling with light and heavenly wonders. After the dawn, when night is gone and day will rise, I know inside that Jupiter's star will still shine brightly now. I'm on the road to beautiful skies, to heaven's gates and lofty sights. The stars surrounding
Okay, so what I'm basically trying to figure out
like clouds.
right now is basically what I'm looking at here is text window position X. So basically what it does is it creates a new object under the variable named text bx, which is equal to instance create layer. So it creates an instance, which is the window, the text window object. Text window X, which is the middle point in the screen. This is in the wrong place. At an array position, that's a user argument. So basically, long story short, what this basically does, it creates an instance, and text window X. This is the X position of the object, right, where the window is going to be on X. The text window Y. This here is basically 3 different positions. And you basically tell the system which position you want it to be. So if you put in 0 for argument 2, it would be the bottom of the screen. And if it was 1, it would be mid. And if it was 2, it would be top. So that's basically how that works. This here is just the name of the layer. I'm just putting it on the instances layer because it's not really that. Well, that's a layer I have, and it's not that. It's just that where I put all the objects. Well, I should have a specific layer for specifically the instances. But what else? It's the object text window. This is the name of the physical object. So if I go here, so basically when you call that script, it creates this object, and then it's gonna set some parameters. And then this here basically says with text bx. So basically with the text box object, you're going to change the text to be the user argument 0. So the very first argument. The message back, that will be, so the window style, that's the argument 1. So the second argument, and the third is the actual window position, like top, middle, bottom. And that's basically what that does. I don't know, I felt like explaining that a little bit. Okay, well, I'll let you listen to more music.
I know inside that Jupiter's star will still shine brightly now.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, is basically I want to make it so that there's an array that governs the message back. So I'm just putting -1 for that right now. So in here there's actually going to be names, if you will. Names for the specific sprites that are the message back sprites. And so what we're going to do here is, instead of saying message back equals argument 0, message back, what the ID for message back is already going to be defined. And the player is just going to say so basically what's going to happen here, how this is going to work, okay, it's a mistake. I think it's message back. Unnecessary expression. Message back on. Message back. Second finger. Okay, message back. So it's gonna be a different sprite name. What am I thinking? Oh, I hate this. What am I doing? What am I doing? What insane, that's what I'm doing. Okay, how is this supposed to work? Okay, so if message back is defined above, when you basically tell the argument it needs to use, doing. Oh, wait. I think I know what I'm doing wrong. Ah, I got it. Okay, message back. Okay, there we go. I got it. This is what we're gonna do. I just brain fart there for a moment. What it's going to do, first up here we have different message back styles up here. Okay, and this is going to go and take, it's going to say cur which I'm using as current message back. Current message back is equal to, so the message back style defined by the one. There we go. Perfect. And that should work. So now what this is basically going to do, is it's going to take my what it's basically going to do, it's going to take oh wait, no, I got this backwards. My bad, I have this backwards. So it's going to take current message back is equal to, so it's going to say the current message back is equal to message back style, and then define. So basically, what's going to happen here is the player is going to define whether it's a flat fade, dim, or clear, right? 0, 1, 2, right? In argument 1, so that's the second argument in when you call the function. And so then what it's going to do is it's going to take whatever you've assigned, whatever you've told it to pick, and you're going to assign this to current message back. And so then this will be shared with this object here. Yeah. This with the message object that creates the text window object. And what it'll do is basically it'll draw the message back, but with it'll draw the message box. There we go. With the current message back you've defined, and that's how that's gonna work. That'll work. And when I get the chance, at a later time, I think I'll actually, clean this up and have an actual tutorial, instead of just live streaming this stuff. But now this.
dream, I wish you'd be mine. You're understanding what I mean. Discover or see that you're the only one for me. Together we'll be free. That's how it's meant to be. Have you ever friends with lonely? You're the one and only. Did you ever cry? Or did you say goodbye? Have you ever friends with lonely? You're the one and only. Did you ever cry? Or did you say goodbye? Remember that time when you were here inside my dream. I wish you'd be mine. You're understanding what I mean. Discover or see that you're the only one for me. Together we'll be free. That's how it's meant to be. Have you ever friends with lonely? You're the one and only. Did you ever cry? Or did you say goodbye? Have you ever friends with lonely?
So, in case any of you were wondering, what I'm doing here is I'm actually I'm referencing two objects. I'm not the greatest game maker. I'm not the greatest. Making the system is quite the challenger. So basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just referencing this one object that I've used before that's for drawing text, and I'm just kind of looking at what I've made plus with what I've already made to see if I have any errors. If that makes any sense. Yeah, that's all I was gonna say. About that, I will let you enjoy the music again. Okay, so I think this should work. I'm just gonna run a test here. Usually work. Let me see. Do I have everything I need to? What am I doing? Okay, so I need room. Okay, what do we got? I think with manager, it essentially creates all the variables it needs. Okay. Yeah, that looks good, so that just goes to the next. Oh. Okay, let's just. got a fatal error. You guys can't see it, but okay, let's see. It's global variable names UI layer height index is not set before read. Okay, so action number 1 of create event GMS system manager. Okay, so here. Again. Tried to copy. Okay. Set. I can't remember the error code was. I got. Okay, so here we are. Fatal error in action number 1 of create event. So we're looking at layer height index not set before reading it. Line 20x. Okay, so go back to the master, find line 20. The GUI layer height equals layer height divided by. Okay. Okay, that's what's going on. Okay, so that's what. Fix this. So I have to go GUI height equals get my height. So this is the issue we're having here. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So now it's gonna create these variables, and then it's gonna assign the variables, and then down here it will try to use the variables. I don't know. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so I got another error. If anybody doesn't know, this is pretty much how I make my games. I just freaking keep causing errors and then solving them one by one. Okay, global variable name follow index not set before reading it of object camera line 7 if follow equal. This is really stupid. Okay, fine. Okay, object camera step is crack open the camera. Camera. What line? What? Line 7. Step event 7. Follow is equal to none. So we're gonna change something. We're gonna check if not follow just remember what object. Right. So if so we're gonna go if not object exists, follow save, then it'll do this xtp follow. Okay, so that should resolve that. Okay, so now I've put a little bit of a error handling. Let's go again.
Once again I can feel myself fading, but I see a new life being colored in. I can tell that my heart is done aching, but I wonder if I've gained another skin. I can't stop this transformation, and odd sensations taking me for a ride, all the way back through my mind. Maybe I'm...
Okay, so we got another error. Well, I think I'm just gonna take this little crash logs and just drag it right here because there's no point in anything else. Okay, so fatal error in action number 1 of step event object. Global variable name follow index not set for object. Not a, oh gosh. Fine. I'm using the wrong function here. Probably what it is I have to use if variable if global so we're gonna go if not variable global exists, follow, then it should do it. They're all day. Okay, so that's not working. Anyways, so this is what we'll have to do. Because I can't seem to get the error stuff working, probably kind of incompetent. Anyways, what we will do, xtp equals follow x and y. Double check and see where this is kind of referenced. It's in so I don't make a lot of games because of time fixing stuff than do anything else. Work done. not that. Camera. Text. Okay. Back to the step event. Let's see. XTP follow X follow. So we're gonna do that for now. That's a big placeholder. And we're gonna go. If you know what? I think of help manual because I don't seem. Oh, fuck. I hate it when stuff just doesn't. Okay, come on, pick up base here. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna do one more test here. Then I'm gonna just close the stream there. Hope you enjoyed it. I guess if you didn't, well, whatever. There's not much to show. Spend most of my time just doing error corrections, anyways. Yeah. I guess we'll see here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, just another. So I'll just paste it. So ADL number 1, variable follow index is not set before reading. And 6 follows. Hold the phone. Oh, I'm an idiot. Well, this is okay. I can work with this though. So tried to reference something that doesn't exist. Cut that out. One colon equal. Still gonna crash, but what? Try this again. Still crashed on. Don't understand. Plan B. We're gonna go if variable. E comma. Okay. Try it again. Okay, global variable name follow index not set. I don't think I always have difficulty in these stupid debug functions. I don't understand how these things work. Okay, global variable name follow Okay, well that's gonna be a wrap. I'm through with this for now.